Hello friends, welcome to our channel, Swade Adday. In this video I'll discuss with you about micronutrients. How important are micronutrients and are you getting enough micronutrients for your health? So without wasting your time, let's begin. Micronutrients, what they are? Why they matter to us? Micronutrients are one of the major groups of nutrients your body needs. They include A vitamins, B minerals. A vitamins. Vitamins are necessary for energy production, immune function, blood clotting and other functions. 1. Fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, necessary for proper vision and organ function. Essential for proper growth, reproduction, immunity and cell differentiation. Sources of vitamin A: carrots, papaya, tomatoes, broccoli, peas, milk and milk products. Vitamin D, promotes proper immunofunction and assistance, calcium absorption and bone growth. Helpful in preventing autoimmune disease, cancer and osteoporosis. Sources of vitamin D: eggs, fish, sardine, salmon, mackerel, milk and milk products. Vitamin E, promote formation of red blood cells. Act as an antioxidant. Sources of vitamin E: nuts, sunflower oil, mustard oil, soybean oil, rice bran oil, olive oil and seeds. Vitamin K, prevent osteoporosis. Improve immune system. Promote blood clotting. Sources of vitamin K: green leafy vegetables, parsley, broccoli, cauliflower and cabbage. 2. Water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin B1, thiamine, helps convert nutrients into energy. Sources of B1: whole grains, cereals, milk and milk products, seeds, eggs and nuts. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, necessary for energy production, cell function and fat metabolism. Prevent muscle cramps. Sources of B2: milk and milk products, fish, whole grains, cereals, pulses. Vitamin B3, niacin, drives the production energy from food. Lowers bad cholesterol (LDL) levels and increases good cholesterol (HDL). Sources of B3: fish, salmon, tuna, peas, avocado and peanuts. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, necessary for fatty acid synthesis. Sources of B5: liver, soybean, egg yolk, legumes and nuts. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, essential to maintain the health of nerves, skin and red blood cells. Promote protein synthesis. Sources of B6: meat, pulses and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B7, biotin, plays a role in the metabolism of fatty acids, amino acid and glucose. Sources of B7: liver, soybean, egg yolk and cereals. Vitamin B9, folate, important for proper cell division. Required for fertility in both men and women. Sources of B9: red beets, green leafy vegetables and fruits. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, necessary for red blood cell formation and proper nervous system. It plays important role in brain function. It supports healthy hair, skin and nails. Sources of B12: fish, egg, milk and milk products. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, required for synthesis and maintenance of collagen. Required for growth and repair of all tissues. It is the main protein in your skin. Required for the synthesis of neurotransmitters. Sources of vitamin C: citrus fruits, leafy vegetables and sprouts. B. Minerals. Minerals play an important role in growth, bone health, fluid balance and several other processes. 1. Macrominerals. Macrominerals are needed in larger amounts than microminerals in order to perform their specific roles in our body. The macrominerals and some of their functions and sources are: calcium, necessary for proper structure and function of bones and teeth. Assists in muscle function and blood vessel contraction. Sources of calcium: milk products, leafy greens, broccoli. Phosphorus, part of bone and cell membrane structure. Sources of phosphorus: salmon, yogurt. Magnesium, assists with over 300 enzyme reaction, including regulation of blood pressure. Sources of magnesium: almonds, cashews, black beans. Sodium, electrolyte that aids fluid balance and maintenance blood pressure. Sources of sodium, salt, processed foods, canned soup. Chlorine, often found in combination with sodium, helps maintain fluid balance and it is used to make digestive juices. Sources of chlorine, seaweed, salt, celery. Potassium, electrolyte that maintains fluid status in cells and helps with nerves transmission and muscle function. Sources of potassium, fruits, vegetables, meat, legumes. Sulfur, part of every living tissues and contain in the amino acid, methionine and cysteine. Sources of sulfur, meat, egg, milk, garlic, onions. 2. Trace microminerals. Trace minerals are needed in smaller amounts than macrominerals but still enable important functions in our body. The trace minerals and some of their functions and sources are: iron, helps provide oxygen to muscles and assist in the creation of certain hormones. Sources of iron, beans, spinach, millets and pulses. Manganese, assists in carbohydrate, amino acids and cholesterol metabolism. Sources of manganese, peanuts, pineapple. Copper, required for connective tissue formation, as well as normal brain and nervous system function. Sources of copper, liver, crabs, cashews. Zinc, necessary for normal growth, immune function and wound healing. Sources of zinc, crabs, chickpeas. Iodine, assist in thyroid regulation. Sources of iodine, cereals, pulses, mustard, cauliflower, cabbage, papaya. Fluoride, necessary for the development of bones and teeth. Sources of fluorine, fruit juice, water. Selenium, important for thyroid health, reproduction and defense against oxidative damage. Sources of selenium, sardines, dairy products. Chromium, potentiates action of insulin in persons with diabetes. Lowers serum cholesterol LDL. Sources of chromium, meat, fish, egg, milk, cereals. Thanks for watching this video. For more update kindly subscribe our channel. Please like, share, comments. Your one like motivate us to create new contents.